Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is 27th of February, Monday. Just an announcement, friend. I'll also be online between 9 and 9:15 is when we'll come online for Let Us Trade Together session. If you are willing to join the session, you are free to do that. All the profit is yours if you get profit, and even if you get loss, the loss is also yours. A small disclaimer. Coming to our previous analysis, we had given ITC for a buy. Okay, here you see straight up till here, but then did not sustain that levels and then fall. So if someone entered here or here, yeah, they made good money. But if someone entered somewhere here at a double bottom kind of a formation, they ended up hitting their stop loss. In one word, I can say ITC did not perform as we expected. Coming to the sell stock, which was BPCL. If you remember, we gave it for a sell at this particular downward trend line. We talked about open interest here, and it continued to fall as we expected. Coming to analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were bearish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see Nifty made a one-time top for some time, and that's it. After that, it continued to fall. Towards the end of the day, it gave a double bottom kind of a candle structure and did not give a proper breakout there. Still waiting there. Bank Nifty, we were bearish. You can see downward momentum. Downward to sideways momentum is what we could see. Again, similar double bottom kind of a structure was formed here also, but no good upward momentum that is noticed. Talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends, now we still see these trend lines like this, which are broken, followed by retest and downward momentum. Similarly, I can show you similar trend lines in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, so even today we are not so confident that Nifty, Bank Nifty will go ahead and move upwards. Okay, if you are liking the video, do hit the like button so that the video will be circulated to more number of people, friends. Coming to analysis for now, see, since last 6 days, okay, Nifty and Bank Nifty have been making red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally the 7th day. Similar in the case of Bank Nifty. We are still bearish on both of them, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days continuous red candles going down, friends. But then usually when such red candles are made, there is one day of relief that Nifty, Bank Nifty usually gives. Is that day tomorrow? We really don't know. But as of now, I would still be looking for selling opportunities in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if in case there is a upward momentum, that's when we would go ahead and create short positions. Now, how will we create short positions? See, when it comes to Nifty, we'll keep this trend line handy, friends. Okay, as soon as this trend line is touched or probably even crossed, this can be a false breakout, and that's when it will start falling till here, and this fall will be very fast. Probably if it is moving up, the movement upwards will be slow, and if it comes down, then the fall will be very fast, and that is what we are looking for when we are creating selling positions. Okay, that's how I would consider trading Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Similar trend line can also be drawn in Bank Nifty with these tops connected. Okay, so this is where I would be ideally choosing for a sell. If there is a proper breakout and a clear upward momentum, nice green candles forming, that's when we may probably look at a buy side of a position somewhere here. And yes, this would be our target. We are not expecting very big targets like, big targets here. No, that's not what we are expecting. Probably a small target is what we can expect. When will we look for a continuous buy on it? When we look at this particular Febo and you see at least this level's crossed. I'll show you the level. See, from the top till the bottom when I'm drawing a Fibbo, and if this is crossed 41,339, okay, once these levels are crossed, we would become bullish on more Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. Until then, we are still looking for sell side only at any tops. Sell on rises is what we would follow. I hope I made it very clear on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Similarly, in Nifty, if one really wants to create buy positions, you can create buy positions at these breakouts, but maximum that you can expect is here or little above that, friends. I am not seeing a very big up move coming so soon. When will we create buy positions, as in we become bullish, is at the cross of this trend line or at the cross of this levels, which is 17,964, 17,950. Let's get 17,950, friends. It's being a round level also. That's when we would go ahead and become bullish on the market. Until then, we see market is in a bearish trend. It might give you a day of relief come till here, but we are not interested in buy as of now. Very clear. Coming to stock of the day, we are looking for Britannia for a buy, friends, for simple couple of reasons. See, from recent top till the bottom when I am drawing, you can see that there is a clear trend line breakout here, followed by a retest. Okay, reason number 2, this is looking very close to a double bottom pattern. Okay, reason number 3, now this is also looking like a left shoulder ahead. Okay, and probably there can be a right shoulder that will form like this. Now what is important for us is we will capture only this particular move in one day. We are happy with that kind of a move in one day. Are we going to wait? And no, that's not what we are doing. We are capturing only this move, which is sufficient enough for a intraday kind of a profit. So this is what we see. With all these reasons is what we are looking at for it for a buy. And last but not the least reason, if I'm drawing a Fibbo here from the recent top till this bottom, okay, this bottom, friends, okay, note it has touched, okay, the important point, which is the golden ratio, and then it came down. So if we are creating buy positions here, okay, we can go ahead and target till here, and our stop loss is how much? This much. This is almost nothing, friends. You can keep even a lower stop loss till somewhere here and wait for it to perform. That way our risk to reward ratio will be very good. So even if I consider this stop loss, our risk to reward ratio is going about 3. Okay, are we going to go ahead and wait for so much? No, we will exit at 1.5 kind of a risk to reward ratio and keep our profits with us. So that's how we would be trading Britannia for a buy. And for the sell, we are choosing Kotak Bank, friends. Reason is similar to the reason that I gave you in BPC earlier. Okay, so in Kotak also we see a trend line. Okay, or if I draw an arrow like this, see, this is coming down. Okay, and if I pull up open interest, you will see that open interest is increasing. You are not able to see it because it is on a very big scale. Let me keep it so much. See, from here till here, you can see open interest rising from here till here. So it is the same reason. If you people really want to learn, go look at the previous video. I have explained the entire situation very clearly. I don't want to repeat the same thing again for you guys, because people who already learned will feel it as a boring kind of a explanation. Anyways, with this as a major reason is what we are considering for a sell. Reason number 2, this is your top till the bottom. If I'm drawing something called a Fibbo, it's looking like this, friends. See, this is the top somewhere here till the bottom. See, we have seen rejection from the same 23.6 levels and continuous downtrend. Now we can also see something called a breakdown of this trend line. Okay, and last but not the least, see, now I'm drawing a zone. This is a support zone or a resistance zone, whatever you call it. So whenever market was coming in this particular area, it was going up. Finally it broke it, came up again, and now when it has broken it, this area is acting like a resistance. See, when it came back from here, from down till this particular point, you saw that it was showing rejections with red candles, bullish or bearish engulfing, again downward trend. Okay, some kind of a resistance is what is acting here. So we would consider 1710 as a good level for us to sell for a good downward target, friends. First target would be here. So that's all we have in this video, friends. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and if you are liking the videos, do hit that like button so that I would get that encouragement to create better content than this, and we make more profits than what we are making now. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.